Hey there, so ever had your office desk buried under mountain of business card or spend precious minutes manually typing the contact detail? Today we are making this problem disappear automatically. So welcome to our n8n power workflow that take the business's card photos and then magically convert them into structured contact entries in Google Sheets using GPT-4o. So let me show you how. Okay, like so we have this workflow here that it will take and then in the upload form that it take the name card pictures as an input, and then in the next step it did two things. First is upload into the Google Drive folder here for the later uses, and then the smart AI agent using GPT-4o will extract all the information from the name card pictures and then upload it, and then purchase and then transform the output, filter bad data, and finally like lock your contact into the Google Sheet with well structured data, and then from there you can do a lot of things like sending the follow-up email, contact your clients, and like assign a lead to a right salesperson, etc. So let's check it out. Yeah, let's upload the name card pictures, submit, and then you can see that their name card picture will be uploaded to Google Drive for later use, and then the our AI assistant going to extract all the information from the pictures. It will take a little bit for processing the image depending on the size of the pictures, and then it's transform the output, and then it add the contact to the tracking sheet. So let's check it out. So we have the contact, right? The contact is fully uploaded here, and then let me check real quick for yeah, it's uploaded to the folder smart cell, as you can see. Okay, awesome. So thank you very much, and like I will add the workflow in the comments. So if you go to Google, you set n8n, right? Yeah, here this is the workflow, and let's check it out and try, and if you have any feedback for that, any improvement, let me know. Okay, thank you very much.